Did you know that every successful online business has one thing in common? They all build an email list. And the easiest way to do that is with a high-converting opt-in page. In this video, I'll show you how to create one in just a few simple steps. How to create an opt-in page that builds your email list.
First, you need a valuable lead magnet. This is something you give away for free in exchange for a visitor's email address. It could be an ebook, a checklist, a template, a mini course, or a resource guide. The key is to offer something that solves a specific problem for your audience.
Next, write a powerful headline. Your headline should clearly explain the benefit of signing up. Instead of saying, join my newsletter, try something like, download your free guide to growing your online business. Make it clear what's in it for the reader.
Now keep your opt-in form simple. Ask for as little information as possible. Usually a first name and email address are all you need. The fewer fields people have to fill in, the more likely they are to subscribe.
Don't forget to include a strong call to action button, instead of using a boring button that says submit. Use action words like get instant access, download now, or claim your free guide. Finally, remove distractions. An opt-in page should have one goal: getting visitors to subscribe. Keep the design clean. Use an eye-catching image of your free offer, and make sure the page looks great on mobile devices.
How to create an opt-in page that claim your free guide. Finally, remove distractions. An opt-in page should have one goal: getting visitors to subscribe. Keep the design clean, use an eye-catching image of your free offer, and make sure the page looks great on mobile devices. A well-designed opt-in page can help you build a loyal email list, generate more leads, and grow your business over time. Keep it simple, focus on providing value, and always give visitors a clear reason to sign up.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more online business and digital marketing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Click the link below to get instant access.
Instant access.